I'm Curtis Blow, and I want you to know that these are the breaks.
May I have your attention, please?
ATB. ATB.
Good evening and welcome to tonight's festivities.
Live. What you are about to witness is real.
This is not a dream. This is
Big Texas Breaks.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time.
All right, Big Texas Breaks here doing a one-box 2014 NFL break museum collection. Teams have already been randomized in the previous recording. Here they are. No trades, or just one trade happened. That was the Steelers for the Niners. But here we go. We got Steelers, Thompson G, James B with the Colts, Brandon B N with the Patriots, Jags, Brandon BOR, Danny K with the Niners, Chuck Norris, A.K. Walker Chip with the Bengals and Lions, James, A.K. JTS, 2013 with the Dolphins, Sambo with the Texans, Steve A with the Raiders, Marshall B with the Ravens, Saints, MIH, Bucks, Brandon V, Eagles, Cheto, Broncos, Thompson G, Seahawks, Michael D, a.k.a. Amy's, Cowboys, Emma H, Giants, Thompson G, Marshall B with the Bears, Michael D with the Vikings, Chargers, Brandon B.O.R., Jeremy S with the Cardinals, Brandon B.E.N. with the Bills, Browns, Chiefs, Danny K, Michael D with the Falcons, Joey K with the Rams, M.A.H. with the Skins, Panthers, Thompson G, Joseph J with the Titans, Carlos with the Packers, Danny K with the Jets. Those are the teams. Good luck, everyone. Let's rip. All right, so what are we going to pull out of here today? Any requests before I start opening? We've got 12 left in MLB if anybody wants to get in the MLB break. Let me give this a nice little BTB rub. All right, here we go. Everybody type a 1 if you're ready to break. All right. Oh, man. Let's see. Let's get this going. Should I use the other knife? Or should I just continue? Let me use this one. Let me see if this one has some miles on it. Maybe it'll work good today. Uno. All right. There we are. Mini boxes. Empty box. Chew it open. I would, but, and that's my preference, but I didn't want to take the box off camera. Otherwise, I would. Yeah, come see me at the show in Houston. For any other that are around the Houston area, we're gonna have there's a TriStar show at Reliant. I will be chewing the boxes open. Man on the box. All right, we've got Martavis Bryant. Martavis Bryant. Martavis Bryant. There we are. For the Steelers. Check this out. Odell Beckham. For the Giants. That's cool. Beckham. I'll give that some love. Cool, cool. You know, it'd be cool if you were to see him in person and he would have signed this. I'll be so sorry enough for y'all to have the show. Hey, I kind of have a negative story about him, man, from the autograph world on him. So here we go. We got Lions and we got Eagles. Nick Foles. Eric Ebron, Nick Foles. Here we go. 15 of 150. Jeremy Hill. Look at that. 15 of 150. For the Bengals, Chuck Norris, a.k.a. Waka Chip. Now, why today you wanted to go with Chuck Norris? I don't know. Did you just have a feeling about it? Jeremy Hill. 15 of 150. Now what's going to be a kicker if somebody else wants to use that one day? It's open game. Richard Sherman, Seahawks. Richard Sherman, Seahawks. Blake Bortles. Patrick Willis. And Khalil Mack. So this one looks pretty sick from the back. Wow. This is cool. Who has this? Let me see. Look at this. Peyton Manning. Julius Thomas. Julius Thomas, Cody Latimer, and Monte Ball. This is numbered 15 of 25. That's pretty sick right there. I like that. Thompson G. Look at that. That's pretty cool, bro. I like that. It's got the N patch. Is that an N or is that a Z? Because Broncos ends with the Z, right? Broncos. I'm just playing. That's an N. Museum's nice, so that's what I'm saying. We've got some spots left in the baseball, so if you want to jump in on that for the next break, we can do it. Nice hit, bro. That more than pays for one spot right there. A couple spots right there. That's the beauty of the museum collection is you got rookie and veteran potential. 12 spots left in the baseball. $8.50 a spot. Reggie Bush. All card ship. All card ship. If you get one card, I'll ship it to you. Reggie Bush again. Base. Marshall Faulk. Marshall Faulk. And Tom Savage. Tom Savage for the Texans. Oh, dude, this is sick right here, dude. Who's got this? Who's got this? This is one of the sicker jumbo patches. Look at this. Back to back. 23 of 25. Bam. Tell me that ain't a sick ass patch right there. Tell me that ain't a sick ass patch right there. Look at that. That is sick. That is a sick patch. 23 of 25. Dude, that's like asking somebody, I'll trade you my my soup for your cupcake at lunch or something. Pretty cool hit. I like it. I like it. Paul, your PC, that's who. So that means we have a hot pack autograph. Hot pack. Hot pack. Hot pack. Guaranteed autograph in this one. Prime time for the Falcons. Deion Sanders, Michael D. This is numbered to 50 right here. This is 7 of 50. Prime time. 7 of 50. That's going to go to Michael D. Got a nice one coming up. Nice one. Jordy. DeMarco. Y'all know that whistle. Russell Wilson. Nice. Alright. Let me see who has this one. Duel. 5 of 50. 5 of 50. Jimmy Garoppolo. Patriots, Brandon B.E.N. Brandon B.E.N. Duel. He's the one. He's one of the ones to get. How do you think he's going to fare? All right, that's the box. Nice.